Willkommen die Live-Leute. Es sind den Elementaren vom Vier. Weiter geht es mit Life is Strange. Los sind wir bei der Episode 4. Wir sind am Two Whales Diner. Hier hängt ein paar Preise. Ey, den sangenden Fisch. Wir waren auf Chloe. Mit dem Firma Gespräche. Wir haben Flick gefragt, ob ihn den David kennt. Ihr seht das froh, dass er gefliegt ist, dass er an der Schule sitzt. Aber es ist einfach schön verstopft zu aller. Na, ist das mein bester Kollege. Mal gucken. Anscheinend, dass Chloe mit dem Drogendealer sein Zimmer erwischt gehen. Den Drogendealer sehe dann anscheinend wohl mehr. Joyce hat aber keinem gesagt, wenn das. Und dann, oh! Unexpected Snowfalls. Ja, das ist den gelben Schnee, wo man Vision hatte, mit der Welt in der Sturm können.
Hey, Trevor.
Holla, Max. By the way, I know you saw me in the dorm.
Ja?
Yeah, I saw you coming out of Dana's room.
Yeah, and I finally had to tell Justin because, well, he was into her too.
How did Justin react?
I got him blazed. He was cool. Nobody has secrets in Blackwell anyway. See you in class, Max.
Okay. Und du, Justin?
What's up, Justin?
Getting my coffee on before I cut class and destroy some rails. Shouldn't you be taking photos?
I am always taking photos. I am a camera.
You crack me up, Maxter. Of course I'm baked, so I'll laugh at anything.
You should be studying, bad boy.
So where's all your homework, schoolgirl?
School. Speaking of buds, I saw your bro Trevor sneaking out of Dana's room.
Trevor finally told me about him and Dana hooking up. He got there first, so I snooze and I lose. See you later, Max.
Ja, okay. Fisherman.
Did you catch any big ones today?
If by big you mean none, then sure. I caught a lot of big ones today. Now let me mourn over my eggs.
Scheiße. Weird lady.
I always wonder what people think about when they eat alone.
Komm, mit hier will schwätzen. Sie passt aber
Hello
genug
there
dabei,
to
ne?
you. Such a beautiful day.
Oh, God.
Oh yeah, it's gonna be a super day. Enjoy your breakfast, eh?
Alter, sieht ja da wie so richtig ein creepy Stalker, gell?
Oh man, I bet that's the same gum from when I was here last.
Kate Marsh, love you long. Oops. Flush before pissing on the floor. I am to misbehave. Rachel owes me blowjob. So does your mom.
Gross.
Free. What? Whale with me. Egal, das ist immer gut. Snap! Bambi, jetzt! Da, cool. Okay, wo ist die Foto? Die innen. Cool. Arcadia, gay, sucks.
Thank you, redneck poet.
Very intellectual, huh? Dude.
What do you want? I feel like shit. Too much beer, so spare me, please. Just let me
Ja,
suffer.
Frühstück. Komm, wir jetzt das nicht direkt bei den Jungen. Ha, auch nicht. Wir müssen alles. Ah, komm. Es wird leicht. Best place forever. Direkt keinen Kaffee an den Grab.
And there she is. A lovely young woman. How are you doing, Max?
Hi, Joyce. It's nice to see you again. You look the same.
Like I'm still a waitress at Two Whales after all these years.
No, like you still look pretty.
Nice save, kid. You're still smart. But not that smart. Now you get busted for smoking pot. I heard the whole sordid story from David. I'm sorry this was how you had to meet him. He's a good man, no matter what Chloe says.
Yeah, I'm sure. I don't even smoke, like, ever. It was almost an accident. It was very stupid. I'm sorry.
It surprised me fierce. I was hoping you could be a good influence in her life now.
I will be. Promise.
Super.
I know things were hard for you and Chloe. I feel bad I didn't call. Now my folks are in Seattle and I'm all alone at Blackwell. It's my karma.
You did the right thing. You moved forward with your life. I did after William passed on. Chloe chose to stay angry. Anyway, I hope we see more of you. Chloe needs an old friend again.
Joyce, I am so sorry about William. I have great memories of him.
I'm glad, Max. That was his gift to us. Wonderful memories. Even if Chloe doesn't understand yet.
Chloe understands. She just needs time. I know that sucks for you.
Oh, she hit all the phases. Expulsion, running away, drugs, bad boys, tattoos, piercings, blue hair. Now she's got to rebel against her stepfather.
I see why. I mean,
Do you? He's not as much of a hard ass as you think. But you did tell him you had a joint, right? You took that responsibility?
I did.
I did. And I am sorry. I don't want Chloe in any more trouble. Or me.
Nobody's in trouble over a doobie, Max. And I admire that you took the heat for Chloe. Like a great friend. But Chloe does push David, and it's not fair. He paid his dues in a war. He does care about her, along with all the students at Blackwell.
Bisschen viel, aber. Komm, Frommer.
He cares about Kate Marsh?
David mentioned her, but I stay out of his business. I won't patrol Blackwell, and he won't cook at the diner, you know?
Yesterday, I took a picture of him fighting with Kate. I thought you might know why.
Nice try, Nancy Drew. But next to you, there's only one student I'm worried about. And she's not even in school anymore. So, now let's get down to the nitty-gritty. What do you want to eat?
Bacon. Irrtum, ich wusste doch. Gib mir ein Bacon Omelette.
I was dreaming about your bacon omelet.
Now finish your coffee.
Bacon. Natierlech Bacon. What else?
The only thing that's changed on the menu are the prices.
Ist mir teuer gehen. Was kostet mir ein Omelette dann? Die Stimmung drauf? Doch, Bigfoot Bacon Omelette. 6,50. Ja gut, das bist wie billig wie Fried
One
Fish.
bacon omelet for the young lady, Stat.
What is that?
I
Ooh,
love
graffiti.
the delish anticipation of breakfast. Nerd graffiti. Warren must have been here.
Ja, effektiv. Ein bisschen strange. Kaffee, komm, Himmel, ich schliff. Verbrannt dich. Und schliff nicht.
Can I get some beer and bacon?
This is like fourth dimensional deja vu. I keep going back in time.
Beer?
Looks like you had plenty. Stick with the bacon.
Eine gute Idee.
The lighthouse looks so mysterious. I wish I could stay in this moment forever. I guess I actually can now.
No beer?
But then it wouldn't be a moment.
Ja, wo kannst du denn nachher gucken?
Incoming.
Ah. Food.
I can hear your stomach rumbling from here, Max.
Gell?
Here, you'll
Ich
love
auch.
this.
I'm drooling like a baby.
Still can't believe you're a woman. When I look at pictures of Chloe, speak of the devil.
Mom and Max, together again.
And Chloe looking for a free meal. You put your whole damn college fund on your tab.
I'm treating Chloe for breakfast.
Are you atoning for yesterday?
Oh god, Mom, please do not give Max any shit for that. She apologized.
I know she did. Max is a good girl. Woman. She's 18 now.
Too old to get lectures from you or Sergeant Pepper.
Call him David if you don't want to be lectured. You only get one damn slice of bacon a day.
Oh, bleh. So fein
You
mit
guys are
Eis.
still the same.
Dann aber
Another
volle
reason to blow
Mutze
this
und hat er
town.
erkannt.
What is this shit on the jukebox?
Ah ne, mein Banjo let für Donner's River.
Now that that's out of the way. Let's talk about your superpower.
I don't have any explanation, and I can't explain why I saw that crazy fucking tornado.
Come on, that's just a daydream. I want proof you can rewind time.
This is all happening so fast.
We'll start slow. Right here, now.
I can tell you every single thing you have in your pockets.
You have X-ray vision, dude? I don't even know what's in my pockets. Let me see. Okay, Max. Impress me.
A Geneheit muss ich lo leider cut machen, weil die 10, die du noch können von mir erklären, wie die ganze 10 funktionieren, was wir alles drauf holen. Das ist ein ganz volles für sich, die ich lo am Grund gespielt habe, weil ich da nicht schneiden konnte. Ich teile sie cut, Friede ist die nächste Folge, da geht da alles geworden. So geil. Merci für Null, aber bis geschwind.